welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Masanali and you are watching Global Scope News, where we bring you the latest and on world events. Today, we are diving into one of the most critical stories in American politics. Kamala Harris taking the lead in the US polls. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss an update on our deep insights. Let's get into it. Kamala Harris is now leading in the national polls for the upcoming US presidential race. Ever since she took over from Joe Biden to run against Donald Trump, things have shifted. Before stepping aside, Biden was struggling in the national polls and in key swing states, falling behind Trump. But once Harris became the Democratic candidate, she gained about 3 points in the national polls, according to the survey reports, which looks at polling data over a rolling 10 days period. Harris is now leading by around 2 points nationwide. However, while this sounds promising, it's important to compare her performance to previous elections. Data from Real Clear Politics shows that Harris' leads over Trump is not as strong as what we have seen before. For example, back in 2016, Hillary Clinton led Trump by 5 points at this stage of the campaign, and in 2020, Biden was ahead by 6.3 points. Despite those leads, we all know how things turned out. Clinton lost in 2016. Even tough she got votes than Trump. This is because the U.S. presidential election is not won by popular vote. Instead, Instead, the results comes down to individual states and the numbers of electoral votes they hold. This makes a few key states called swing states incredibly important. States like Pennsylvania, Arizona, and Georgia play a crucial role in deciding who becomes president. Looking closer at the swing states, Harris has made some progress in states like Georgia and Arizona. She has managed to narrow the gap or even take the lead over Trump, especially after Biden steps aside. She has gained more than 4 points in these states, which could be vital in deciding the election. One reason for Harris' gains is that she has consolidated support from the Democratic base. This includes voters of color and younger people, many of whom were less about Biden. By winning them back, Harris has made these seats more competitive. While Harris is seeing good news in the polls, there is still uncertainty in both the 2016 and 2020 elections. Trump performed better than many polls predicted. There are several reasons for this. Some voters decided very late in the campaign. Others did not tell pollsters who they were supporting, and some polling methods failed to capture Trump's true level of support. Josh Clinton, who chaired a task force that studied polling hours in 2020, pointed out that the mistakes made in those polls who were biggest in the 40 years. In some cases, as much as 7.7 points. For instance, 538 predicted Biden would in North Carolina by 1.8 points, while where Clear Politics predicted Trump will win. In the end, Trump won the state by 1.3 points. As the race heats up, all eyes are on Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. Will Harris leads hold, or will we see another polling upsets? Keep watching Global Scope News for updates and in-depth analysis on the 2024 presidential race. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay informed on all the latest. This is Mohsen Ali and signing off. Until the next video, stay tuned. Take care.